In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to hide your out-of-stock products on Shopify. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your Shopify and then also of course log into your Shopify store. And now you should be taken here as you can see, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now on this page is to just locate your products right here. So click on products and then it should take you to this page. And in here you will be able to see all of your products that you currently have on your Shopify store right now basically, and it should say active right here also for all of the products that are currently active. Active means that they are currently on your shop and in like they are able to actually view these specific products on your Shopify store basically. So if it says active, it's active on your store. That is what I meant to say basically. So now on this page, what you're going to do to be able to hide this is to click right here, and then you're going to click on draft. And then don't forget to click on save right here, because what will happen then is that this product is now on draft and is not active on your store. So nobody is able to actually see it except from you. And what you can also do, I'm just going to change this to active here instead. And what I'm going to do now is to just click on these three dots right here and click on manage sales channel. I'm just going to deselect all of those ones, click on done. Then I'm going to click on the three dots once again, click on manage markets. Then I'm going to actually remove this ones right here. And as you can see, it should actually now be out of stock and it should now be like available for customers. I can also scroll down right here. And as you can see, you can also change this one to 0 if it's not to 0 right here. As you can see, I'm going to change it to 0 and then click on save, because then it will also say out of stock basically. If somebody is able to some reason actually view this product, then it's going to still say out of stock. What you can also do to actually enhance the user experience to be able to actually hide your out of stock products on your Shopify, if somebody is able to still view it from before, well, you can also go into your apps right here and then you're going to search for out of stock right here. Search for out of stock. You can click right here in the Shopify app store, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page. And on this page, you're able to actually view a couple of apps. As you can see, this one right here is actually for free for us to choose. And as you can see, it's a push down and hide out of stock. So it's going to automatically hide your out of stock items. And yeah, it's actually not a bad app at all. As you can see, 4.9 stars, but there's a lot of others that you can try as well. And that is basically exactly how to do this.